Have you ever wondered how a wall clock works? How it keeps ticking second by second, minute by minute, hour by hour, day in and day out, without ever missing a beat? Well, sit back and prepare to delve into the fascinating world of wall clocks. First, we need to understand the important components of a wall clock. It generally consists of three key parts: the power source, the timekeeping mechanism, and the gear train. The power source provides the clock with the energy it needs to keep ticking. In traditional mechanical clocks, this power source would be a wound spring or a falling weight. However, in most modern wall clocks, the power source is a battery. The timekeeping mechanism, also known as the oscillator, is what maintains the pace of the clock. It creates a regular rhythmic pattern that the clock follows. In traditional wall clocks, the pendulum serves as the oscillator. The pendulum swings back and forth at a steady rate, and each swing represents a second. In more modern quartz clocks, the oscillator is a tiny piece of quartz crystal. When an electric current from the battery is passed through the quartz, it vibrates at a steady frequency of 32,768 times per second. This vibration is then used to keep time. Next comes the gear train. This is a series of interconnected gears that transfer the energy from the power source to the oscillator. The gear train also serves another important function. It controls the movement of the clock hands. The gears are arranged in such a way that for every 60 ticks of the second hand, the minute hand moves one space, and for every 60 movements of the minute hand, the hour hand moves one space. So, to summarize, the power source provides the energy, the oscillator keeps the time, and the gear train moves the clock hands at the correct pace. Together, these components work in harmony to keep your wall clock ticking accurately and reliably. In essence, a wall clock is a marvel of engineering and design. It's a perfect symphony of power, precision, and movement. So, the next time you glance at a wall clock, take a moment to appreciate the intricate mechanics that enable you to tell the time.